Payson Method's Intro to Piano Video Tutorials. Episode 1, The White Notes. Follow along and learn more with the book Payson Method Piano by Andrew Payson. Welcome to Payson Method's Intro to Piano Video Tutorials. In this video, we will learn to identify the white keys on the piano. A piano has 88 keys. These include the white and black notes, but today we're going to start by learning to identify the white keys on the piano. In music, we name the notes with the letters A through G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We will talk more about the black keys in another video, but for now, notice that the black keys can be found in groups of 2 and groups of 3. These groupings will help us to identify the notes. First, let's look at a group of 2 black keys. Play the white key between a group of 2 black keys. This is the note D. Between all groups of 2 black keys, we will find the note D. Now let's find a group of 3 black keys. In a group of 3 black keys, we will find these white keys, G and A. Take a look at the note A. Notes on the keyboard follow in alphabetical order. Working your way to the right of the piano, the notes are as follows: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. After the note G, the pattern repeats, beginning with A again. Notes to the left of the keyboard sound lower. Notes to the right of the keyboard sound higher. And there you have it. In order to orient yourself on the piano to be able to identify any given white note, look at where the white note you're playing is located in relation to the groups of 2 and 3 black notes. This basic pattern will remain the same anywhere on the keyboard. Near groups of 2 black notes, we will find from left to right the notes C, D, E. Near groups of 3 black notes, we will find from left to right the notes F, G, A, B. For free resources, visit PaysonMethod.com. Follow along and learn more with the book Payson Method Piano by Andrew Payson. Payson Method teaches creativity.